Available now for 6 or 12 months, corner condo with wrap-around terrace, ocean front, 2-bedroom 2.5 designer decorated beauty. Huge living room with dining room for the family and entertainment. Heavy floor-to-ceiling sliding doors can be fully opened to extend the living area to the outside. Beautiful view of the pool and ocean from this low-floor unit. Oceana Bal Harbour, the newest and most luxurious addition to the Village of Bal Harbour. Amenities include 2 clay tennis courts, 2 swimming pools, gym, spa, cabanas, pool and beach service, private restaurant, 24-hour valet and front desk, and much more.